Hi, I'm Dino with DinoRC, and this is my grandson Jackson. And we just opened our Christmas presents. And we got 2 TRX4Ms and some more monster trucks and some more dinosaurs, didn't we, Jackson? And now we're going to open them up and see what we think. What is in there?
Somebody bought it.
What did we get? Oh my goodness, we got Traxxas TRX4s, M's. They're monster trucks.
We can play in the house.
Yeah, we can play with these in the house. Oh boy. You see the camera? We're going to talk to all the people on YouTube, okay? Are you ready? Here we go. Hi, I'm Dino with DinoRC, and this is my grandson Jackson. And we just opened our Christmas presents. And we got 2 TRX4Ms and some more monster trucks and some more dinosaurs, didn't we, Jackson? And now we're going to open them up and see what we think. Let's open this one up first. This is the new TRX4 Bronco. And we're going to take a look at it. And this one is Jackson's. We're going to see what he got here. Are you going to show him the Snoopy? Oh yeah, we need some Christmas music. I like the way you think. I tell you what now. Let me find where it's taped up at. There we go.
What?
Oh boy. Let me get the tape off. And now we got it. We can open them up. And we'll check them out and see what we think. Help Papa open this thing. Now, what's up? It's upside down. Well, that's a quick unopening right there, I tell you what. We'll put this back in the box.
This is the monster truck, Jackson.
Yeah, that's a monster truck. It's Jackson's, and that's a TRX4 Bronco. Let's pull this off of it.
And that's because we go.
Woo! That is a good-looking truck right there, I tell you what. What color is that?
Black.
Black, that's right. It's a black monster truck. It comes with a battery and a charger.
It's called a black.
A black Bronco, ain't it?
It's a yellow.
Look there, it's got a horse on the back. It's got a license plate. And it's a hard body. Got your mirrors. I tell you what, that's a good looking truck right there, boy. I tell you what. And they've got these new, if you're not familiar yet, the Traxxas.
This is the monster truck.
You got the new bodies that come off. Does your bodies come off those?
Yeah.
Yeah, the bodies come off these too. We can put dinosaurs on them. But you can see you've got some nice looking shocks.
Yeah.
It's got a good looking ESC. I haven't tried yet. It comes with a TQ. So I'm guessing that I can program this to my TQI. So I'm hoping I can. And I love the size of the motor that's in here. That thing is huge. So let's put us a battery in it. Now Papa Santa Claus might have went ahead and on Jackson's charged it up for him. So that way he can play with it. We'll try her out here and see what we think, won't we? Papa, I'll get the battery thing undone here.
Papa,
Yeah?
I think get a camera can't talk.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just put your battery in like that. You got this little rubber strap. It'll hold it in. Not too bad to put it in and out. And then you've got this new Traxxas plug. Now, I know a lot of people is like another Traxxas plug, but it looks pretty good. And yeah, I might have to make an adapter to charge it with my big charger. But all right, let's turn it on. Looks like I already we got power. Let's pop off, see if it needs to. Did I turn it on or off?
On.
Oh, we ain't got no batteries in it yet.
We in the fan.
We gotta have some batteries.
A tray.
Now you gotta have 4 AA batteries.
A change.
We'll put them in there. Oh, I'm gonna slide these in. Now our radio's on. Let's unplug it, plug it back in. So you can see you got steering and it goes forward and reverse. But anyhow, here it works. So let's put it back together.
Thanks for joining us. It's XBQ.
You ready to drive it?
Yeah.
Let's see how. Oh, don't run it off the table. Use both hands. Thing's pretty quick, ain't it? Your gas. Oh, back up just a little bit. Woohoo! Ah!
I don't think that was
We'll edit that part out.
I think it's not gonna stay.
Yeah, we'll fix it. Alright, so we got the Bronco here. Let's take a look and see what else we got. This one is the TRX4M Defender. And let's see what we got here. I ain't opened this yet. So this one will have to charge the battery. Yeah, that's okay. You gonna come up here and take a look at this one? Take a look here. See what we got. Definitely the box is nice. You know, a lot of times people don't about the box, but it is nice. Traxxas, you know, Traxxas makes good boxes. You get a couple clips, you get a couple Allens, you get your wheel nut wrench. I'm sure there's some decals in here. And we got another TQ radio system here. A lot of people may not be excited about that TQ, but I'm telling you what, if you've got a TQI from your TRX4 Bronco or Blazer, it makes a big difference. And we've got another 750 milliamp battery. And there's another charger in here. And these little chargers should do the job. And what's good about it is that big old battery will last a long time. Well, let's pull the cellophane off this one. You can tell I opened up the other one because you have to take the body off in order to get the cellophane off. I've got it wrapped around so it won't come off. But I'd already opened the other one to charge the battery for my grandson. And this is the blue one. Wow. I really like this blue. It's a dark blue. It looks really good. I like the scale gas tank on the back. You get the ladder rack. Oh, wow. Running boards, door handles. You got your mirrors, you got your snorkel. Wow, this Defender's nice. You got a little scale winch. And you got the wheel cover on the back. Now, there's no tires in these. This is just the faux one, just for looks. But, hey, it looks good. And looks like it's exactly the same. Let's see. Yep, exactly the same wheelbase. Just trying to see if we've got the same tires. You know what? I don't think they do. They don't have the same tires. I didn't know that. There are two different sets of tires here. So the one with the, they both feel pretty good. They're both soft. The one with the Defender's got a little bit more aggressive tread. And the one with the Bronco, it's still good, but it's more of a street type tread. But it looks real nice. And like I said, you got your body clips right here that you just push to pull off. And you just push it on. Get it lined up there. Sometimes it's easier said than done. But you get that lid up. And let's stick a battery in. It'll have a little bit charged just to look at it. See how she does. I've been waiting a while to open these because it's for Christmas. I just know that's getting it. We're going to plug this in. It's kind of weird not having the on-off switch on these. Unless I missed it. But it's good practice to keep your battery unplugged because it'll be the life of your battery. Now let's try this again now. I know why it didn't work. I ain't put no batteries in that radio. I don't have any more. So let me well, let me go get some batteries to put in this one. And we'll be right back after these messages. From Balloon Zoom. You can get this Balloon Zoom now for $19.99 down on the old thing there. Yeah, it comes with balloons. You got a little squeezer thing. It comes with some rockets. You use to make it go. And what does it do? It goes zoom. That's what it does. Zoom right to the moon. You can run it on the road. You can run it in the air. It'll do whatever you want to do. It'll even burn your hair. What do you think about that?
I think that's kind of cool.
You think that's kind of cool?
I saw a car might come and broke it.
Yeah. Well, let's finish this up here and then Papa will go. Well, this has been our review. Like I said, we got the Bronco. We got the Defender. We got both of them here. And me and him's going to have some Christmas fun. And we hope you have Christmas fun. And I told them all it's been really cold. And I'm not going to see you on the rocks this time. But since how it might be a while before you watch this, you never know. I might just see you on the rocks. Are you ready?